How to group multiple apps in single folder in Android. Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. Hold down the app for a few seconds, and then when you can drag this app, then combine both apps. This is your folder. You can change the name of this folder. Similarly, if you want to remove the folder or ungroup applications, again hold the app for a few seconds, and then drag the app outside the folder. Again, remove the second app as well, and the folder will be removed automatically. If you want to combine multiple apps at once, simply just hold down the screen and then, when you see the selectable option, then select multiple apps and then group them or add in the folder. This is how you can create the folder in Android. For more easy-to-understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.